Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a swim lane in draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is come in the left hand panel, click on this drop down next to advanced, and you'll see pool options. So we have horizontal pool 1 and 2, and you also have vertical pools that you can go ahead and use. So all you need to do is click on them, and of course to rename them you just double click here and you can change the name. Okay, let's say post anything, you can rename it to. And then I want you to click on the table because I'll show you how to add new rows. So you click on the table, come here on the right hand panel under arrange. You can click on insert row above or after as well. So you choose this option and you can go ahead and insert new rows. What you can also do, by the way, let me go ahead and delete this, right? You can click here on arrange and then hover over insert and click on template because you were able to bring in a swim lane diagrams from here, right? By choosing the templates. All you need to do is click on the template and then click on insert. And there we go. We have a template right here. And if you want to add new shapes, you just drag and drop the shape you want as such, and you can go ahead and add arrows to it as well. So to add an arrow, it's very easy. You just come here, hover over shape's connection point. As you can see, it's highlighted by green circle. You just move here to the left and create an arrow, and then I'll drop it right here when you see that green circle. And now these are actually connected, as you can see. Okay, so it's really that easy, and that is how you can add a swim lane in a draw.io.